Like all doctors, radiologists want to do the best they can for their patients, but mistakes do happen, even when sometimes it should be obvious. A radiologist told us how he had just missed a broken clavicle in the x-ray of a 16-year-old with shoulder pain who had just gone back from the ski hill. And he's not alone. When there's something to be found in an image, it is missed 30% of the time. This is why we are using eye tracking and analytics to tell radiologists when and where to look again. We track and analyze visual attention as the images are being viewed. Our solution is invisible and silent until needed, so radiologists do not need to change the way they work. In the past 6 months, we've built a prototype which has been test-driven by over 40 radiologists. We filed 2 provisional patents, and we have 2 hospitals lined up to run pilot studies. We're currently speaking with 5 vendors who are interested in integrating this technology. We've also consulted with the FDA to confirm that we actually do not need regulatory approval to go to market with this solution. This investment would accelerate our validation at our prospective pilot sites in the US and Canada. Diagnostic imaging is a $200 billion market, where we're first focusing on mammography, which is a $5.6 billion segment. Over 42 million women undergo mammography each year in the US and Canada. Breast cancer screening is an important part of public health policy, and early detection is critical. However, every day, 245 breast cancers are missed and go undetected. We are tackling this by leveraging our medical imaging expertise. I've developed several new technologies which have been published, patented, and even spun out to new companies. My co-founder, Zamir, has created medical imaging software which has been deployed clinically in 12 products. And we have great advisors, including a VP at the largest radiology firm in the States and the chief medical officer of a successful radiology software startup. We're catching diagnoses now, but that's just the start. Hundreds of AI algorithms are being developed for radiology. With eye tracking, we can make them easier to use and more effective. As these algorithms gain trust, eye tracking will be a natural way to keep a human in the loop and ensure oversight. And through this whole transition, we'll be acquiring the data and knowledge that we need to fulfill our eventual vision, fully autonomous AI for medical imaging. At ClearVoxel, we believe every image should lead to the right call. This is why we're working to prevent misdiagnoses today and building the AI-powered medical imaging of tomorrow. And we've got a demo you can check out after the pitches.